The first time I tried this beetroot fries was when I wanted to increase my iron intake using beetroots. And I didn't feel like choosing or eating it as a salad. So I decided to make this recipe. It's easy, it's fast, and it tastes great. So if you're trying to use beetroots to also increase your blood level, your PCV, or your iron intake, you might want to try this beetroot fries as well. So first you want to wash and then peel your beetroots, then slice it to the shape, your desired shape, and then you'll be needing corn flour or any other flour of your choice to make it crispy and crunchy. So in this case, I'm using corn flour for this one. So to the corn flour, I'm going to be adding salt to this to season it for taste. You can choose to add pepper and other spices of your choice. Well, for this one, I just want to use salt. So I'm going to add my beetroot now to the flour, and then I'll coat it with the flour very well. Make sure it's properly coated and covered. Add oil to your pan, put it on fire, and then once it's hot, go in with your fries. Arrange them. Don't overcrowd your pan so that it can fry properly. It takes about 3 minutes to get browned. So once it's crunchy enough, you want to turn to the other side. Turn it to the other side and then fry for about another 3 minutes, and then you're done. Look at how crispy and yummy it looks. Oh, it looks so amazing. So once you've gotten this type of crispiness and crunch on it, you know it's ready for you to take it out. You can now enjoy it. So there you have it, your delicious beetroot fries.